Meaning of inelegant.
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 Inelegant. The term inelegant refers to something that lacks grace, refinement, or sophistication. It suggests that whatever is being described is clumsy or awkward in some way, lacking the elegance and finesse that one might expect. In particular, the term often implies a lack of subtlety or nuance, as if the thing in question were too blunt or straightforward. Anything from a piece of furniture to a scientific theory could be described as inelegant if it fails to achieve the desired level of sophistication or aesthetic appeal.